walk in this. Yo, look at the water. Like, look. Oh my goodness. Bro, look at the water. Bro, look at the water. I'm trying to go like around and like do a little detour somewhere because it is ridiculous. Like, I'm kind of scared to go the way I want to go because it just looked deep. I called my man already. He all right. Oh my gosh! What the hell? Hi everyone. I just want to give y'all just a small haul. Just a small one. I got pistachio milk and honey. Live your soul. Fiji white sands. Hey. First date, it smells so good. Like it smell like you're going on a date. Come out and Verge. Another first date. Pink lavender espresso. This one's my favorite. It's fire. Vanilla cloud. A nighttime tea. Water lily springs. Lavender espresso. And Fiji white sand. This almond croissant. It's to die for, honestly. I am now preparing some breakfast for me and my mans. I'm going to be making some eggs and potatoes. This is just what I call it. I'm not really sure what you call it. But you want to start off by cleaning the potato, getting a bowl with some hot water in it. You're going to be cutting up the potato like that, as you can see, and put it in the water so that the starch can suck from it. Then you're going to cut up some fresh seasoning, peppers, red, green, yellow, purple, whatever you got. Onions, garlic, all that fresh seasoning. You need all that fresh seasoning. Put them in the fryer, and then after, like, when they're like almost done, you're gonna transfer that into the eggs. Back from the store, I got, let's show you, corn on the cob. These are some quick potatoes. These potatoes were $4.58. Cupcakes. I got chocolate and vanilla. Bulldog noodles. I've literally been craving this since the last time I showed y'all. And then I got this one. This is a new one that I have not tried. I did wanted to try it, obviously. It's on sale, and like I wanted the aesthetic. Like I got this bowl right here. It's so pretty. But yeah, I got it because of the chopsticks. Fully submerge your corn in water for 6 minutes. I'm gonna see how you do in stirring the packet, and this is what the packet looks like. I'm gonna take my corn out, put some butter in it, maybe like half a tablespoon, put some water in my noodles, put some salt and pepper. And here are the potatoes. That seasoning was so damn good. Like, oof, it was so good. And melted some butter and shook it up. Yes, girl, oof, I'm dreaming about it. But yeah, I'm just gonna put all my seasoning and my stuff and mix it all up, transfer it into the bowl so we can be feasting. Put that corn in there. I'm gonna also put my potatoes in there. This was like a hot pot meets like seafood boil type of thing, so that's what I was going for. But yeah, that's also what it reminds me of. But yeah, it was so good. I'm so excited. Oh!
What a top.
If y'all have not tried these noodles, try it now. Today. Let's try the potato. Some butter, garlic, and parsley. Oh yeah. That's good. Walmart haul for you guys. I got some bread, some sandwich bread, got some hamburger buns, some Sprite, barbecue sauce, chips for my, Lay's chips, Alfredo sauce, pasta, fajitas, onion rings, fresh garlic, fresh parsley, fresh scallions, chicken patties, sandwich meat, and this is some free stuff that I got from work to try out. That vanilla romance is amazing, and I haven't used this, but yeah, now I'm just putting my groceries up. This is where I put all my bread, cereals, and all that good stuff, snacks and whatnot. Putting my Sprite up, and now I am about to get ready to just kind of wind down and prepare my food that I'm gonna fix. This is my first time trying this one, and I was so excited. Yeah, this right here, Ultimate, unlocked my comfort food, and I'm so happy that I unlocked. I hope that is like still somewhat spicy. I am gonna put a few of these potatoes in here, mix that all up. Alright, y'all, let's try these noodles. I'm happy. They do taste good. They're definitely not as spicy, but they're still good. I actually like the other ones better because they are just way spicier. This is like the perfect one to try if you like spicy stuff. It's good. And these potatoes are even better. Like, I'm not gonna lie, I'm about to start filming on my phone more because this quality is A1. I'm on my way to get some food at Five Guys. I got me my little snowball right here. You know I gotta keep that yeah on me.